We're going to look at how to use the TI-83 or 84 calculator to do permutations. There's the formula. A permutation of R objects taken from a group of N items is, and then we use this notation, NPR. The formula is not too bad, but the calculator will be much easier. We want to be able to recognize when we use permutations as opposed to combinations, which we'll look at in a separate video. You use permutations when the order of those objects matters. Or another way to say it is that the position of those objects matters. So the P in position can remind you of the P in NPR, which will be able to, you'll want to be able to distinguish that from in CR in the next video. So here's an example. You coach a Little League baseball team. There are 13 players on the team. In how many ways can you choose a batting order having 9 players? So we're choosing from a group of 13 players, so that's the N, and we're going to choose 9 of them. That's the R. 9 taken from a group of 13. And clearly the order matters. The position in which we line up those 9 players matters. Who's batting first, who's batting second, and so on. So we use 13P9. Now on the calculator, here's what we do. Clear out what we have before. We're going to enter the 13 first, and then we want to find that permutation function. And you can find it by going into the Math button, go over to Probability, just using the arrow keys, and NPR is the second thing in the list. You can scroll down, or you could just punch the number 2 and then hit Enter. Now it's waiting on us to enter the R, which in this case is 9. So you see you've got 13 NPR 9. Hit Enter, and there you have it. It's a pretty good size number there, right? There's a lot of different ways to arrange 9 players from a group of 13. All right, so that's the answer. Pretty easy on a calculator.